Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Wednesday, October 5th, 08:05 a.m. New York time. Good morning. A little recap here of a trade I took overnight. Trade I took using the futures markets and trading options. Put it on last night, placed a working order, went to sleep, woke up, it closed for profits. Here I'm looking at a matrix, multiple time frames, because my style includes looking at taking consideration multiple time frames situation. So right off the bat, I'll show you how this went. Looking here on a 1 hour chart, place my trade. See this yellow arrow? Placed a bearish trade. Yeah, bearish trade. Even though the market's up. Bearish trade. On the ES, that means I was looking for prices to go lower. And then it closed around that time. Yep. Good, it worked out. Okay, let's look at the setup. That's important. Got the 4 hour setup. Yep. Zoom in. Okay, we're looking at 4 hour candles. So the past few days, trend was up. Bull, strong, very strong. At these 4 hour candles, at the end of yesterday, which is 5 p.m. New York time when the futures markets close and they reopen 6. Yeah, we were into this. Each of these candles were 4 hours. So we were into this supply zone where there were sellers. Big round number, 3,800. We also had this midpoint. See this big gray line? That's midpoint off a weekly candle. Then we had this other candle form, a 5 to 9-1. Inside candle often means indecision. Well, thinking indecision, yeah, trend up. We're at this supply zone, hitting that midpoint, rejecting it. Have these smaller wicks on the bar. Indecision, big round number. Oh, wow, all the stars are lined up. Okay, still risk 50% chance you're right or wrong. Well, 50% chance you're right or wrong. I'd rather take it where it looks more logical to move in my favor. I could still be wrong. But again, the stars are lined up. So I took that trade. Yep. So that was looking at the higher time frame just to set up what's occurring. Situational awareness. Let's go look at the hourly. Okay, each of these candles is an hour now. And looking here, I'm going to zoom in because I wasn't looking. Well, yeah, that's what I want to show right there. Oh, knew it had that huge impulse move up. That was a lot of buying. And then again, we tested this, rejected it. This big candle here with a huge long tail on the bottom, that's telling me a potential retest of that zone. Don't know when it's going to occur and if that whole thing's going to get retested. But again, I already knew that we had here rejection. Then we went up and made higher highs. That was higher highs. And again, the higher highs were showing rejection. So contrarian, that again, this area, supply zone, sellers are up here. Then logging back on later at night, I see again, we rejected it and started to take out these candles, lower highs. So impulse moved down, broke below this, went bearish. Again, my idea was, or my thought was, we're going to retest this huge wick at some point, not necessarily the high thing, the whole thing, or we might even go down to from here to here might have a consolidation, someone coming down here. So the point is, let me show you on a 15-minute. Again, that was a setup I was looking to occur and potential targets. Let's take this to the 15-minute. Okay, now we're looking at each candle's 15-minute. Zoom in. Oops, there we go. So now 15-minute, you notice also this huge till, wick, shadow, what do you want to call it? Thinking again, even on the 15-minute, I'm seeing that that might be the place being retested. So broke below here. I went bearish. And as we went down lower, it's getting weak. It's going down weakness. Okay. Well, then it popped up again. I'm still in my trade. I wasn't going to close it because I had to work on it to close it. And all of a sudden, this huge impulse move came down. Buyers came in here. Yeah. But notice consolidation. If I do more of these lines, you might see this. But again, we had a consolidation here. Breakdown. That big move down there. And you see this green candle went up retest. We couldn't get back above here. So what was resistance up here, supply up here, then I'm seeing this consolidation. So basically you had a consolidation here, breakdown, consolidation, breakdown, staircase pattern, staircase pattern, lower lows. You see my past videos, I mentioned that often, staircase patterns. Yep, so slow grind. That's what happened there. Consolidation, here too, another consolidation, big impulse move down. So that gave me confirmation or happiness, whatever the word is, that, hey, this thing is bearish. Yeah. So stay in the trade or even add to it. Yeah. Then we had this long draw out session time frame during the part of it during the London Asian session. Yep. And then down. So but look at this now, this huge wick. We're down here now. So now I got to take consideration for morning day trades. Maybe might have some buyers stepping in here, which is happening right now. We still have supply up here, sellers, buyers down here. So I'll look at the multiple time frames to big top down. Let me take this back to the hour again. So there we go on the hourly. Look at that. That big wick went down, tested it. Now, if you notice, this is a consolidation. Where if you look at the 15-minute chart, yeah, consolidation, impulse move down, consolidation, 37.75 is resisting that level. So maybe I'll put on a bear call spread up here. These are my options. And then on the long stays down there. But now looking back here on the hourly, take consideration, there's consolidation here. We're making higher lows. That's suspicious. So maybe we're going to do a run up before 9:30 a.m. when the cash market opens. So maybe I'll be doing a bull put spread down here. And maybe this will run up into the regular cash market hours and close it before that for small little things. And one more thing now. Let's look at the trade from overnight. Where is it? There we go. So placed at that time frame, closed it over there. Yep, it worked out fine for me. So that's how I apply part of my strategies for trading. And these options do expire today, but I already closed them. I'm not staying in the max meaning to expiration. Yeah. If it never touches this gray horizontal line between up to now and expiration, I'll be max profits. But again, I'm not taking that risk. I was happy. I think I took a 30 or 35% gains. Yeah, overnight. Very nice. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.